Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Today is just an unboxing and installment of the SUPER73 S2 rear cargo rack, and let's get to it. So first things first, spray the seal. Alright, let's see what we get in the box basically. Alright, it's bigger than I thought. Let's get everything out. Instructions. Let's put the rack to the side for a second. And this is in the box. Okay, sweet. Apologies about that noise. So what you get in the box is this really. So first things first, I want to go to the rack. Oh, I didn't know it'd be this, probably smaller. So you get some bolts and some washers. Not bad. This. Let me bring no scissors with me. Oh. Quite sturdy actually. You got the handrails here for your passenger to hold on to. And you've got the supports. Cool. Let's just go closer, look at the rear rack. So you got the SUPER73 logo there. It's a nice touch. It's very sturdy actually. Very sturdy. Alright, it's not that much to go through, to be honest with you. It's just a rear rack for the bike. And you just got your nuts and bolts and your washers here to install. And you got an L key to help you. And just look at the instructions again. Okay. Alright, sweet. That's the unboxing. Let's go to the bike. Alright guys, so we're in my mom's back garden. Got my beautiful bike here, and I've got everything laid out. So I got the rack, I got the supports and the bolts with the washers and the spacers together, but I will show you more closely. And the instructions, I don't know if it's me, if I'm stupid, but I can't really understand the instructions. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wing it, and I'm gonna go through with you guys and we see how it goes. But as you can see, first things first, I need to take these panels off. These are blur boundary panels, and love them. Hopefully they'll fit with the rack. There's only one way to find out. We find that together. But yeah, let me take this off and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Cool. Alright, so I got the panels off. I'm thinking, how am I gonna put the panels on and this at the same time? Ideally you need somebody to help you, but I'm by myself. Let me see, maybe I have to, let me see how it goes. I will probably get an extender for the brake lights. I'm gonna have one there and maybe one over here, but I'll see how it goes. But first, shoot, never mind, I'm gonna put this on. Alright, so right side. So maybe I should just clamp one side down first just to hold it up. Yeah, alright, that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, if you do get this and you got somebody that's free to help, ask them to help you. Alright guys, let's just put this on first without scratching the bike. I'm just gonna tighten it a bit with that's one, and the second one. Oh my god. Yes, I'm an idiot. I didn't even get through the I didn't even get through the bloody hole. Alright, story of my life. Anyways, let's just make sure I get through it this time. Yeah, that's through. Get through that one. Sorry guys, if you can't see, I apologize. Yeah, but I can feel that. Alright, see, so now that's up. Let me just tighten it up a bit. So all I'm doing is just putting one side on quickly, so at least it stays in position. Let's put this one as well. Don't need to do it too tight, just need it to hold. Yeah, that's fine. So now I can work on this side, and I will need this. Okay, now we're gonna do this. I should really take off the bags first. I'm just so lazy. So basically that will go 1, 2, 3. You know what? Let's take this rubbish off. Alright, so that's a bit more easier. Yeah, sweet. The reason why I got Velcro here, because that doesn't go straight like this, it kind of goes an angle. So what's happening is I don't want it to scratch. It works. And yes, I have the wrong side. That's good. I got the wrong bloody side. This is the side I need. Right? Yeah, that's right. Guys, I'm going through it with you live. Let's take this off. 1, 2. Alright. Yeah, sweet. See, there you go, like that. Okay. So first, let's get the bolts. Alright. So we've got the bolts and the washers. Let's do the middle one first. It's quite a nice day today. The sun is out in London. Doesn't happen a lot. Would like to go on a bike ride later and see how it works out. So I've got one on. Let's use this one here. Like I say, I'm not tying it up, I'm just hand tightening them. Just trying to get them in position first before I lock it down. Put the longer bolts at the top. Shoot. Why is this one not grabbing? Not too tight, just leave it like that. As you can see, this will start going in an angle, and that's why I put the Velcro so it doesn't scratch up the frame. Let's do this over here as well. Alright, so far so good. Now the support. Here we go. So basically that should go, that should fit. So the top, I think it goes, oops, I found the ball there. I think it goes like this. So basically you got the bolt, and you got the washer and the spacer. The spacer should go on the other side like this, then the bolt. Okay, where did I lose? Where's it gone? Never mind, I'll get back to it. Alright, so does it go in or out? It should be this way or this way. So that's what I'm trying to tell you about the instructions. They're not very clear. I think as the picture shows that it goes this way. Yeah, it feels right. You know what? Oh, God. I'm going to do it this way. So just put the bolts through first for the washer. Hope you guys can see. Then I'm gonna thread this through. Then where's the nut? Tiny nut. Thanks a lot, man, for the noise. Sorry about that, guys. It's a helicopter. Alright, so I'm just gonna thread it through, tighten it, and got my tools I need to grab. Like I said, guys, I'm going along and hopefully I'm doing it right. Yeah, let's grab it on. Oh, I don't want it too tight. And that should go, yeah, that feels right. Alright, so now the top, I assume it's bolt washer. Then the spacer on the other side, I don't know if you guys can see. Then the mount. Let's go to the back of it actually. So yeah, so there's a spacer, that, then the bolt, right? You see if it's straight. Yeah, come on, there you go. Yeah, SUPER73, you gotta make your instructions a bit more, you know, clearer. I don't know if it's just me, but if you guys buy it, you understand what I'm chatting about. Alright, let's push this up. I don't want my fender to be dragging on the tires. How much? Yeah, just do from up here, high up. Alright guys, so it's a bit of awkward position here, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm just going to tighten this up. Oops, it's turned. Make sure the fenders are up. Yeah, that's nice. Alright. I'll tighten that, so look. So that actually fits, so it looks alright actually. So if you guys are wondering if the money panels fit, they do fit. Yeah, of course I'm going to tighten it down a bit, but this side is done, literally done. Not bad, not bad. Quite like it. And you've got your passenger handrails here. Nice. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna do the opposite side, the other side, and exactly the same way. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright man.